don't pressure your mind.
Okay.
It's really easy to do. If you just take some time for yourself and practice, you'll be good at the letter S and at saying the letter S. Hello everybody, this is Phonics with Jenique, and today we're going to be doing the letter S sound. And my name is Jenique Pasley. This video is for little girls and boys who want to learn their S sound, the letter S, and how to write their letter S. So make sure that you share this wonderful video with them. And so today we're going to be doing phonics letter S sounds. So I'm going to show you how to trace the letter S. To do to the second S. Okay, so you're going to curl like this. There, that's how you do the letter S. And do the same thing for this one.
So teacher, which S are you writing? Is it the small S or the big S you're writing?
The big S. So everybody, this is the big S and this is the small S. Over there.
Teacher, I can hardly see that S. Can you start over and press harder on the marker, teacher?
Okay.
Now, teacher. Wow, you're writing your S so nicely.
So there, so you have a little curl like that. So anyway, back to the letter S. Now we're not doing 5. There. So you do it like, oh, I write my letter S.
So teacher, I want to learn how to write the small S.
Then, so that's how you write the letter S. So
Can you write it a little brighter so I can see it, teacher?
That's how you write the small S. So I want to come up and write the small S.
I'm shy, teacher. I'm just learning how to write the S. I don't know how to write the S, teacher.
It's just really simple. This is how you write this small S.
So show me again.
Like this. So see how it's really simple, boys and girls. So come and write this S for me, please. Let's draw it in the dots. So see, boys and girls, see, it's just very simple to write the letter S is like this. So anyway, I'm going to be singing this song. So when I point at the words, you're going to say them. Okay. So you're going to sing them with me when I point at them.
But teacher, I don't know how to read. I don't know how to read. It's the first time I'm learning about the letter S.
Okay, this is 6. Wait, say that with me.
6.
Sandy. Sunflower. Saw. 7.
Sam.
Okay, so there are 6 of the word.
Ooh.
Okay, so let's sing them together now.
Okay.
So when I point them down, you're going to sing it with me, boys and girls. Sunflower, saw, 7 sound. Now say with me now. Now say it with me now.
Say what now?
Now sing this with me now, please. So let's start rewrite the letter S. That wasn't too hard. Just like the letter S was simple, that means this can be simple as well.
Okay.
Boys and girls. So don't pressure your mind.
Okay.
It's really easy to do. If you just take some time for yourself and practice, you'll be good at the letter S and at saying the letter S. Okay. So say with me. 6 Sandy, sunflower. 7 Sam. Let's do it again. 6 Sandy, sunflower. 7 Sam. I'm going to be teaching you how to make the letter S sound. And see these empty lines? I'm going to be writing the S on the empty lines. And then we're going to be saying the words together. But I'm going to say the words and listen carefully. And then you're going to say the words with me. You hear me, boys and girls? Say it with me. Also you, mommy, say it with me.
Okay.
As in son.
Son.
Say it with me, please, boys and girls. As in silly. As in sky.
Sky.
So, as in snake. Say it with me, please.
As in snake.
As in snake. So this is all you may call the S sound. Now it's time for us to say it. Now first, I'm going to say it a little carefully, boys and girls. And then you're going to be saying it with me, boys and girls. Sun. Silly. Sky. Snake. So let's say it. Okay, so boys and girls, let's say this 4 more times over. 4 more times, boys and girls. Because we need to make sure that you're learning. Because the verses are doing this video so you guys can learn how to make your S sounds too. And also say your S sounds. So we're going to be doing this 4 more times, boys and girls. Okay. Say with me, please. Sun. Silly. Sky. Snake. And boys and girls. Sun. Silly. Sky. Snake. Sun. Silly. Sky. Snake.
You have one more time. One last time.
One last time now. Say it with me, everybody. Sun.
Silly.
Sky. Snake. So thank you, boys and girls. You did a wonderful job. So make sure that you love this video and give it a good thumbs up.
Sunflower, they saw 7 sounds.
You're not understanding.